This video shows Trim Wheel Pro working as a standalone unit in Microsoft Flight Simulator, i.e., without using Sim Trim. We are currently sitting in the Cessna 152 cockpit at Liverpool Airport. I chose the 152 because it shows the virtual trim wheel quite clearly, but of course you can use TWP with any aircraft. So, we first need to assign TWP to the elevator axis in the control options. Select TWP from the joystick list at the top. Change filter to all. Flight control surfaces. Control trimming surfaces. Click the first box next to elevator trim axis. Choose R-axis X in the input drop-down. Validate. Then make sure reverse axis is unchecked. Apply and save. Your Trim Wheel Pro device may appear as Arduino Leonardo in your device list at the top. There is nothing wrong with this and everything will work just fine. But I will link to instructions on how to change this on my website FAQs. Back in the cockpit. I now look directly at the trim wheel in the sim. Trimming up and down is extremely smooth and feels great in hand. There is also a small cutout at the rear where you can use a screwdriver to adjust the tension on the wheel to your liking. This cutout is very convenient because you do not need to remove the lid every time you adjust. Let's just show TWP working in flight. Works great here too, if a little hazardous at the start due to the trim adjustments we made earlier whilst on the runway. But that's what Sim Trim was designed to sort out. See my Sim Trim video for more on this. TWP's aim was to produce an accurate and reliable trim wheel, which could be used regularly with Flight Simulator. It had to be easy to use and could be adapted to suit. Coupled with the mechanical design, the firmware provided, and the Hall effect sensor, I think this is a winning combination that achieves this goal well. Whilst I have made similar digital trim wheels previously, none come close to the accuracy of the Hall effect sensor used in TWP. To me, it seems a shame to keep TWP to myself when plenty of other flight simmers could benefit. So, I have shared my project on the web for everyone to use and enjoy. Happy simming!